Hi, I'm Frank. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tesla touch-up paint. Before I adjusted the height of my hatch opening, I hit the top of the garage and it caused these little marks. So I got some Tesla touch-up paint and we're going to touch this up. The Tesla paint repair kit comes in a nice little box, and we're going to open this up. It'll tell you what paint you've ordered. Inside you have the instruction manual, the paint, a blending solution, a little plastic tab for smoothing things out, which you'll see in a minute. It comes with a microfiber towel, and inside this towel is some gloves, another little felt cloth, and brushes that you'll use to apply the paint. For the paint, a lot of times this will settle. Make sure that you shake it really well. It's got a little ball bearing inside to help mix the paint. So go ahead and shake it real well to make sure the paint is nice and mixed. The brushes come in two sizes. You can use whichever size is best for your particular situation. So I'll just do a dry rub on it to make sure that I'm selecting the right. I'm going to go ahead and dip the paint in my small brush. And I'm going to dab it here, here, now once I have that where I want it, we're supposed to use this little squeegee and run across. I'm going to add a little bit more. And again, use my squeegee. And now this should be dry in a couple of minutes. All right, and I'm going to make sure that this is removed, the excess. And now with the microfiber towel, I'm going to rub around. If you get in the right light, you can still see there's a tad of a dent that was that caused those chips to begin with, if you look at just the right angle. But now looking at it from a distance, doesn't look bad, it looks pretty good. And here is the repair. Now the whole process for just touching up that little chip took less than about 15-20 minutes at the most. The Tesla paint dries very quickly, and they say a few minutes. That's about all it took me, but I am here in Florida. They can say it can take up to an hour, but mine went pretty quickly, and it's a decent way to repair the chip. So happy motoring. Hope you enjoy your Tesla as much as I enjoy mine.